Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign into Chase Mobile Banking so you can access your account quickly and securely from your phone. To get started, download the Chase mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. On the sign-in screen, enter your Chase username and password. If your device supports it and you've already set it up, you can also sign in using Touch ID or Face ID for faster access. If you don't already have a Chase username and password, you'll need to enroll first. You can do this by selecting the option to enroll directly from the app, or by visiting the Chase website and completing the online enrollment process. If you're able to sign in but need to change your Chase user ID or update your login details, you can do that through your account settings once you're logged in by following the on-screen steps. Once you're signed in, you'll have full access to your accounts, balances, transfers, and other banking features within the Chase mobile app. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you sign in to Chase Mobile Banking, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.